So here it is. Could I be more excited? The moment I have been waiting for, to be opening my first beauty advent calendar, and this time I'm going for SpaceNK to kick things off. It's one of the most expensive ones that you can buy. But I do think this could be somebody's Christmas present all in one go. No trudging around the shops looking for a million things to buy, because they're all in here already. So even if you don't want to give this to somebody on the 1st of December, I don't think there's anyone who wouldn't be happy with this any day of any year, ever. Because they're just amazing. So be it for your wife, partner, girlfriend, mother-in-law, mother, these are just packed with so many goodies, it's ridiculous. So SpaceNK have done these two, well, it's actually 4 volumes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And inside, as you can see, we've got all these boxes to open, and they're packed full of amazing products. So let's just close that one over there and get started here with our unboxing. So first up, we have got a rather incredible face mask there, a rose gold face mask, very, very nice. And then we go up here to chapter 2, products for hair, products for face, beauty products, all in one go. Here we've got some silk scrunchies. These things are great. They're super duper gorgeous. Look how pretty those are. There's 3 in there, black and a kind of caramel colour and rose gold again. Chapter 3. Let's see what we've got in here. So exciting. This really is just the way to shop. So many products in one go. So this is an Olaplex hair perfector. And I'm a big fan of Olaplex. My hairdresser Robin raves about Olaplex being such a good product for hair. Really does make a difference to the condition of your hair if you're using that. So I love it. Let's have a look at this one. As you can see, these aren't test to size, are they? You're getting proper big products. And I must admit, when these companies are saying, look, you're getting over £500 worth of product here, and you think, really? Are you just sending a load of testers out from the bottom of the drawer that haven't been given away? But SpaceNK really aren't. These are full-size products, and here we've got Kate Somerville. This is really nice exfoliating treatment, and I'll just open that one, open the box for you so you can see, it's a decent size, and these are really nice products. So next, oh, hang on, got a bit of an avalanche going on here. There's 2 products in one here, really, really exciting. So this is an intensive hydration serum, definitely need that. The older you get, the drier your skin gets, and the more of these little serums I've started to use and appreciate. And there we have a nice retinol cream as well. So those 2 would go hand in hand. I think probably using at night time, that's the time when I tend to have enough time to pop all my sort of serums and creams on and treat my skin a little bit. I'm always rushing too much in the morning to get out the door with 3 boys. So here we go. So this is an overnight facial. So this is definitely one to use at night time. And how perfect, because, coming up to Christmas or the other side of Christmas, whenever the person you buy this gift for gets these, these are just great for party season when you're tired, maybe you've been out late, maybe you've had a few drinks and your skin's really feeling it. I mean, probably you're really feeling it as well, but that's a Sarah Chapman one. Really, really nice there. And so chapter 7, day 7, definitely one of my favorite products here. I love this brand, Aromatherapy Associates. Just do the best bath oils ever. I've never found bath oils to match the smell of these. It's really, really heavenly. And this one, Deep Relax, is just, that just makes me want to run upstairs and have a bath and leave someone else to finish this video for you, because that smells so, so good. Okay, where are we? Chapter 8. But you can see how lovely this is already. It feels like Christmas. Here we've got a Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Primer. which again, primers are something that I never used to use when I was younger. I just used to slap on the moisturiser and then straight on with the makeup. I'm using primers a lot more. So once again, a fab product there to just treat your skin. These are just so exciting, all these super products. Okay, so we've got one for hair here. This is a Nourishing Hair Oil. And I have never tried this, but I've only heard good things about these products. And yeah, I think they are a big thumbs up. So we will, I'll let you know about that. Did I manage to, have I opened one in the wrong order? Oh no, it's just fallen out on the table. Don't worry, we're all right, everything's in order. Hourglass, another one of my favourite brands there, and that one is a black mascara. I've never tried Hourglass mascaras, but I do use Hourglass concealers, and they are really, really fab. I'm a massive fan of their products. Very creamy concealer that just doesn't dry out under my eyes. Oh, wowzers. A blush duo from NARS here. Well, that is, yeah, a big treat for most people. I don't know anyone who doesn't like NARS products. Their makeup is super. So here we go, the last one in the volume 1 and volume 2 box. Let's see what we've got. Oh, nice. A fragrance paintbrush gel by Joe Loves. So yeah, who would not like that? Wow. Okay, never seen that before. So that's pomelo, and I guess you just paint it on. What a nice treat, and innovative way to wear fragrance. Keep this clutch friendly hero to hand to layer throughout the night. And the nice thing is, because it's not in a glass bottle, yes, you can have it in your handbag. It's not going to get confiscated if you go somewhere where they're checking bags. So let's just shove all of that lot over there and move on to the second half of your month, of your advent calendar. So here we've got volume 3 and 4, so the after party and seasonal stars. So that sounds exciting. Okay, so let's move on through these really quickly. We've got chapter, oh, conveniently chapter 13's right in the middle. Let's see what we've got, chapter 13. Oh, nice. A lovely scrub there. Cleansing, Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt by Christopher Robin. Oh, wowzers. That smells good. Really, really good. Nice product there in number 13. Right, number 14, where are we? Here we go. This is a full-size product. A cleansing essential to deep clean, decongest and exfoliate morning after skin. Wowzers. Here we've got an Eve Lom cleanser with a muslin to go with it. Well, that is a pretty nice product to get, isn't it? Before Christmas, on Christmas Day, or in January, whenever you might be opening this, or the person you love might be opening this. Okay, so here we've got something for the lips, chapter 15. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh my gosh, this is just like a calendar of all my favorite products. The Baume de Rose by Terry is just my absolute fave for lips. It's just glossy. It's got a hint of a tint of kind of a pale color, which is what I like. I always like naturals on my lips. That is my go-to. So fab to get one of those in there. Chapter 17, what have we got next? Reveal radiance with this all-round multitasker packed with active ingredients. Oh wow, here we've got a Sunday Riley glycolic acid. Apply to clean skin as an exfoliating serum morning or night. Okay, so that is a serum that goes on after cleansing. And nice, once again, look at the size of that product. You haven't just got a load of testers here. This is really, really exciting. I do actually believe what they say about the price of this. So here we have, okay, a Eucalyptus Deodorant. I'm all up for using the most natural deodorants that I possibly can. So yeah, that is a real treat. And again, that's actually quite a nice travel size. So, you know, that would fit So it's not roll on or spray, that's like a stick, and it actually smells really nice. I like that. Again, a really nice product here. We've got a Kevin Aucoin Contour Duo, and again, just a perfect size to have in your bag or travel kit if you're going away. Lucky you if you are going away. Let's see what else we've got. Chapter 20 is here. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It really does feel like Christmas. What have we got in here? It's a lip product, I can see. Lipstick Queen. Oh, fab. Another nude. So this, really, I think SpaceNK made this box for me, because it is all really good products that, you know, again, I would worry that it's going to be bright reds or bright pinks, colours that I'm not going to wear. But actually, these are all things that anybody can work with, because even if you are a bright red person or a bright pink person, you still can use nudes along with those, and contour palettes and things like that work for everybody. So chapter 21, it's another big box. Right, let's see what we've got here. Okay, a charcoal detox dry shampoo. Well, this is rescue overstyled strands during party seasons with this instant savior. Well, this definitely deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing and scalp smoothing. Well, let's face it, party girls, we are going to need that. Okay, so chapter 2, chapter 3, we've got the last 3 products here to open in our SpaceNK calendar. So let's see what we've got. Day 22, you would be opening. This claims to tighten and firm like no other body cream. So obviously, definitely something you need 3 days before Christmas, before you start on that turkey. Nice little product there. Let's see. 23, set your look with this Makeup Artist Essential that offers a modern matte finish. So what have we got in here? This one comes with a sponge. It's Laura Mercier. I must admit, I was waiting for a bit of Laura Mercier in here. A translucent loose setting powder. This is a winning product. I have a large version of this, and certainly this is a perfect little size. Once again, thinking about travel and taking stuff. So let's see, day 24. I'm hoping this is going to be a really exciting product. You know, like when you open other advent calendars and it's the biggest chocolate on day 24. Let's see what you get on day 24. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this. Rose Deep Hydrating Facial Toner with rose fruit. That looks gorgeous. And I don't know if you can see, look at the rose petals. Ultra special on day 24. So that's it, all these products, 24 beauty products and skincare products from SpaceNK, all for £195. They say worth £550. And I'm kind of thinking, now I've opened everything, that yes, they're right. There looks to be a lot of expensive products there. And I really don't know any girl who's into makeup and into skincare that's not gonna absolutely love you for this. So if you really are looking for something special for somebody special, this is the advent calendar to get. It's a lot of money, and I will be reviewing some of the cheaper ones over the next few days. So keep your eye here, and if you don't want to miss any of my unboxing advent calendars, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video to come. And if there is no next video, it's because I'm still in the bath using all these lovely products, or doing my makeup after I get out of the bath, or dealing with my hair, which has got all these gorgeous treatments in. So I'll either be here in a few days with my next video or not.